Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set live wallpaper in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to set live wallpapers, let's see how can you do this. You just have to open Play Store and install a third-party app for this. Go for search, and here the search for set live wallpaper app. Just search for this and then install this app. As you can see, I have already installed. Just tap on open to open the app, and here you just have to select live or video wallpaper. Here just tap on it, and here you'll get different video wallpaper which you can easily select. I'm going to select this one, and here just select download, then select set video wallpaper, then select set wallpaper, and then you can easily select on which you want to set. I'm going to select only home scene, but you can easily set as your home scene a lock scene wallpaper. Just select it, and you can see wallpaper has been updated. So in this way you can easily set live wallpaper in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.